Bring you guys up to date on what's going on with the sled, and it's looking pretty good. Put a lot of hours into it, and just hard work and lots of cleanup. Obviously got the skid in, tightened up the track. Got the hood on tonight, side panels. Still got to put on the gas tank, the seat, but that stuff is pretty minor. So let's look at just the cleanup here. So no real trade secret here. This is just elbow grease and hard work and just giving her. You can kind of see the motor's cleaned up nicely. Cleaned up the clutches. I ran this silver heat tape all the way through it, even in the back. Really cleaned that engine good. Cleaned the carbs, or not even carbs, that's EFI. Changed out, there was a busted bolt in here. Tapped that out. Put in a new shock. Not shock, what the heck? That's a engine mount. Biggest thing, the most work is putting the engine back in. It's 3 bolts, or 3 engine mounts. There's this one here on this side. There's one down here. There, you can see it there. Pan out a bit. And the third one is here. Oops. Positioning this thing is the biggest thing. You gotta tilt the motor and kind of drop it in. It's almost a 2-guy procedure. Your linkages for your EFI are right there. That linkage, I'll just move it. That linkage right there moves the oil pump all the way down, which you can't really see very well. There's the oil pump lever. There's also a coolant line that goes onto these carbs, because these are actually heated carbs from the coolant from the antifreeze. So that has to be popped on. Yeah, overall it is ready to go. Put on a new side plate here as well. That's brand new. I wanted this to keep the exhaust from melting the plastic here, which is starting to really get into it there. So this new bumper here is going to keep the exhaust up high. The old one was worn out and it was just starting to melt right into that plastic servo case protector. Still needs a little cleaning on the outside here. These been sitting, this whole sled's been sitting for 3 months, so it's kind of nice to see it all come back together. I would say another day or so, and this guy will be pretty much to the point where pull it over and start it up and run it. So happy with the results on that. It looks clean, probably the cleanest I've ever seen it in quite some time. So and no secret to the cleaning, just buy this stuff here. It works good, and it's like $1.50. It's it's just a cleaner, degreaser stuff. Spray it on and then just hit it with a wire brush. That one's pretty much shot. I got another brush here that I was using too, and it's a little stiffer, but just spray it on and clean. That's all that was, really. Make it look almost like new again. So that's pretty much it for now, guys. I'll do a final video on this when it's totally back together, but as always, guys, thanks for watching.